Hey, it's Randy from Happy Maple Nursery, and today we're just going to take you through some of the work we're going to do with some cuttings that made it through the season. These guys are looking a little haggard, but quite a few made it, so we're just going to transfer up the ones that look healthy and take them to the next step. So you can see here we have some currants, boxwood, and a few DeGroote Spire cedars that actually made it through the season. Got some more here. So not all these cuttings made it, not a big deal. We're going to take the ones that look healthy, the ones that are leafing out, and pot them up to their own pots and hopefully build up some of their vigor and start training them for bonsai. So we'll get to it. So here's our after. All of our cuttings, we got a good amount. What's that? 12 plus 9, so 21. And we're just going to give them a water. Alright, and that's all for these guys. So these make beautiful flowering bonsai, and you can see that although they're quite long, they are extremely flexible. It's the way this species is. So we're going to attempt to, once they start to put out some good leafy growth, then they've recovered from this light root work, we're going to go ahead and just put some wires on them and give them some interest in their trunk.